So let's talk about how to work with the text material. So first of all, start with a very well structured material, meaning you kind of have a hierarchical structure. So you'll have like either organize your text by chapter or a section, so kind of outline format, so people can quickly skim through and jump through a different section. This not just benefits visually impaired students, but it benefits sighted students as well if the document is well structured. And you need to add alternative text for any graphics you have. Maybe if you have a picture of a piano, you can describe more in detail on alternative text. Another thing is use OCR if you scan documents. If you just scan documents and send it to visually impaired students in PDF, they won't be able to read it. Let me just go to one example. So I'm gonna open this. So if I just read this, it just says alert empty document. The screen reader doesn't know what this thing is. It's just image. It could be as well just a picture of a person to screen reader, even though it's a word. So screen reader cannot recognize graphics. It won't describe any graphics. It will be very nice if they could, but if I apply OCR to this document, I should be able to read it. So let me close this, and we open a program called OpenBook. There are many different OCR programs but I'm using OpenBook. This is more specifically designed for blind and visually impaired users. Alright, so just gonna hit enter. And now I can read this PDF file because I just applied OCR. And you probably realize at the top it just says -9 retroduction. The OCR is not perfect. It's not 100% accurate yet, but I think it's like 99% or 98% around there. So at least you can, some of the character might be missing, but at least people definitely can get all the contents, whatever they need. But if it's a math or something that you specifically need 100% accuracy, it might not work. So maybe like some numbers might be wrong, came out wrong, and if it's math, if his number is wrong, one number is wrong, it's like totally wrong. But if it's some kind of literature or any instruction, those kind of things, they can definitely get same benefit as other people are getting. Some of the more mainstream OCR programs, Read Iris, ABBY, or if you have a Acrobat Pro version, not the Reader. Another way to make a PDF accessible is to use Microsoft Word 2007 or up and save it into PDF, but works best if you use Windows version, even if it's same like 2008 Mac version or 2011. It's not as good as PC version for some reason. So but at least the structure doesn't come out correctly in Mac version, but all the words and things like that should come out. So the student should be able to read most of it. Just the structure might be a little funky. But so if you start with a Word and save it as a PDF, it should work pretty well.